Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 64.5 Mustang, completely restored. The bodywork on it is amazing. All the panel lines are amazing. That paint is laid down on there, slick as can be. We got beautiful chrome in the grille, beautiful chrome on the bumper, everything. All the lines are super clean and crisp. That hood's fitting nice and flush. That line's nice and straight. All the stainless is looking sweet. Got good looking emblems here. Rocker molding looks great. Doors lined up nice here. Maybe just a little wider at the bottom there. Vent windows looking good. Mirrors looking good. Door handle. This line's nice and straight. Door operates nice and smooth. The door lips in here are all beautiful. Now these are all things you got to look at on every car that you're thinking about buying. The door panel's nicely painted. The vinyl looks brand new here. The armrest looks great. The handles look good. The door jam's nice and clean. Steering wheel looks like it's brand new. And that's right, that's a 4-speed shifter in there, guys. 64.5 with a 4-speed. Got brand new carpeting, seat belts. The upholstery's brand new. Now the top is vinyl and it is white. You want to check out about 100 pictures of the car, go to VanguardMotorsales.com. We'll have several pictures of the car with the top up. The gauge faces look good. The chrome on the dash looks great. Everything about the car. The dash pad itself's in beautiful shape. Look down that quarter panel. Straight as can be. That paint is soft as can be. These look like they're brand new. The lenses look new. The chrome on the bumper looks new. Gas fill also looks new. Look inside the trunk here. We got a little Mustang bag here with our feather duster in there. Wheel wells are nice and solid. Back sides of the quarters are nice and clean. All the paint work in there, everything's nice and clean. We got a spare tire in here. The gutters are nicely painted. The lips are all beautiful. The rubber's been replaced. When you look down the side of the car, look at that beauty. Straight as can be. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own all of our cars. Right now we've got about 235 in stock and we own every one of those cars. Now we're bringing in between 40 and 50 new units every month. And I've got about 35 years of experience in the muscle car industry. And I'm in charge of buying every one of those 40 to 50 cars. So I'm going to put my 35 plus years to work for you to help you pick out your dream car. All right, we're in this convertible now, and we're not taking it outside because it's nasty outside, and this is a beauty. So we're gonna sit in here with it right now. Rest assured, we will take it out and drive it as soon as it gets nice out. You can see the dash is beautiful, the dash pad's beautiful, the steering wheel's beautiful, even the horn's working, and I tell you what, that 4-speed is the most beautiful thing in the whole car besides the top going down. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. You just call us at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you how easy that is to do. If you want help with financing, we can help you out with that too. He'll do all the paperwork. Now we invite you to come in and visit. We'd love to have you come in. About 95% of our customers buy sight unseen, but we do love to have our customers come in. So please, or send an inspector. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put it on a lift and show you just how nice the bottom is. All right, we're underneath this 64.5 Mustang now, and as you can see, it's got a brand new tank, brand new exhaust. The drop downs look awesome. The frame looks awesome. The shackles look like they're new. Looks like the spring packs have been rebuilt. The brakes, the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. We got a Ford 8-inch rear end here, and it is date code correct. We do believe this is the original rear end for this thing. Everything lines up perfect. The mufflers look stock appearing. The frame's solid as a rock. Floorboard looks like that was replaced, and look at that beautiful weld right there. Looks like a TIG weld. They did a beautiful job. I mean, it looks like factory. It looks so nice. They got all the plugs in here. The pinch welds look great. The frame up here looks good. They did a beautiful job. Now on this transmission, this is an original 64.5 trans here. The date codes line up. You can tell by the way the bolts line up here on where it bolts to the bell housing. Of course, it's got all the stock clutch linkage here. The fuel line and then the brake line runs up through here. All that's brand new. Everything down here is nicely coated with paint and nice and clean. We got new ball joints up and down. Looks like the radius arm bushings are new. The sway bar bushings look good. The bottom side of the radiator's nice and clean. Let's check out the wheels and tires on this side. You got style steel wheels over here, looking sweet. Got some white walls just like it would have been back in the day. 185/75 14s here. And again, this metal, nice and smooth back there, original. Pinch welds looking sweet, front to back. Out back, again, styled steel wheels. And they are, I believe, the same size. Yeah, 185/75 14s. This lip right here looks great. The wheelhouse is nice. I mean, you just don't see these convertibles in this nice a shape. Now let's get under the hood and check out that 289. All right, we've also got the correct 289 under the hood here. All the dates line up. The carburetor's correct. It's got power brakes. And look where the horns are down here. That's 64.5 also. We got dual horns, one on each side here. We got Ford markings on the hoses here. All the correct clamps on the hoses, generator, solenoid, shock towers look great, firewall looks great, paint on the bottom side of the hood looks amazing. I mean, this is one sweet little car, guys. You got a real 64.5 here. She's a drop top. She's a Mustang. It's a 4-speed with a top loader. Guys, call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.